Good evening students. Welcome back to the class. In last class you have studied about different occupations of peoples in medieval India. So today we are going to study about the trade and commerce of India in medieval period. Students, we have already studied about agricultural progress of medieval India. Therefore, the surplus production helped the growth of commerce. The commercial centers in India attracted several traders from all over the world. Okay students, let's see the major countries that had trade relationship with India. The major countries that had trade relations with India during medieval period are Sumatra and Java in Indonesia. Second, Persia, that is present Iran. Third one, Holland. Fourth one, England. Fifth one, China. Sixth one, Portugal. And seventh one, France. So these are the major countries that had the trade relation with India during medieval period. Next, let's study about the trade in India. The India had inland trade and maritime trade relations with foreign countries. First, let's see about the inland trade. The two major inland trade routes were one from Lahore to Kabul and second one from Multan to Kandahar. Second one, maritime trade. The maritime trade was also known as coastal line trade. The major ports were first one, Cambay, that is in Gujarat. Second one, Bhuj, that is in banks of Narmada river. Third one, Surat. Fourth one, Goa. Fifth one, Nagapatnam, it is in Tamil Nadu. Sixth one, Masulipatnam, that is in Andhra Pradesh. Seventh one, Kozhikode, it is in Kerala. And eighth one, Kollam, it is also in Kerala. Students, let's study about the major trade groups. The trade groups of medieval period are of two types. They are first one, Marwadis and Gujaratis, and second one, Multans and Khorasanis. Here, Marwadis and Gujaratis were done the coastal line trade, and Multans and Khorasanis were done the inland trade. Okay, next, let's study about the Arab influence in the trade. The major export items were cotton fabrics, indigo, salt and sugar. The metals, leathers, velvet, dry fruits and horses were imported. In the South India, the horse traders were known as Kudirachatis. Earlier, the Arabs had upper hand in these trades. With the arrival of Portuguese, the Arabs lost their influence over this trade. After that, Portuguese gained the upper hand of the trade. Okay, next, let's study about the Europe influence in the trade. The direct trade between India and Europe began with the arrival of Vasco da Gama at Calicut in 1498. After the arrival of Portuguese, the Dutch, English and the French landed in India for the trade. The chief items they collected from India were spices, fabrics, indigo, sugar and salt. There was a major shift in trade relations. In between Europeans, the mutual rivalry formed because the Europeans want to establish a monopoly trade in India. Therefore, the imperialist war between Europeans held in India. At last, English emerged as the winner in the competition and gained the power of the trade. Okay students, let's see the measures taken by English for the progress of trade. First one, they constructed roads connecting major cities. Second, they granted loans to traders. Third, they constructed sarais, that is rest houses. Fourth one, they implemented uniform taxation. Fifth one, they developed postal facilities. And last one, they implemented efficient coinage system. Okay, next let's see about the coin system in the trade. An efficient coinage existed in the Sultanate period. Tanka, the silver coin, and Jital, the copper coins were used in the Sultanate period. Sher Shah made drastic reforms in coinage. He introduced rupee, a silver coin. Emperor Akbar issued the silver coin called Jalali and the gold coin called Ilahi. Okay students, hope that you have understood about the trade and commerce of India in medieval period. Read your textbook thoroughly. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So be happy and safe at your home. See you in the next class. Thank you.